Hello friends, and today we are going to learn about how we can insert multimedia in our HTML web pages. Now with a very simple trick we are able to insert videos in our HTML document. So this is the boilerplate of my HTML document, and the title is videos and audios. So today we are going to insert video and audio in our HTML document. So first you have to download the video or audio. So for this purpose, just I'm inside the body. Yes, inside the body I will insert video element. So just use the video and press enter. Now remove this source from here and add a source element here. Okay, within the source element use the src attribute and then the type attribute. Now you don't have to remember, just if you want to insert anything in your document, just Google it, like insert video or insert video in HTML, and search it and then copy the code and paste it in your document. So this is the way of doing things. Just don't have to learn it. Okay, so why I'm making two of them instead of one, and just me insert the movie or video clip. So in the same folder I just put this movie. So then I am going to use its type. Its type is video slash mp4. Sorry, yes. Now the second is I'm again going to put it. Now this time I will use here video slash OGG. Some browsers force this OGG format, so just use it as it is. So now let's see its results. So refresh our page and here you can see it. Now it is not clickable. So what can we do to make it clickable? So for this thing, again come back to your Visual Studio Code and just use the controls, and then again refresh your page, and here you can see the controls are appearing. You can mute it, you can make it full screen, or you can click it and picture in picture, or you can just use this. Okay, so these are the ways you can insert your video element. Now you can also include width here, like 500, and height also if you want to, but I don't recommend to use height because it will stretch your image or your thumbnail or your video. So just I'm using your width and then refresh. So maybe it should be 900 to make it more big. Yes. So the next is how we can insert audio files. So for inserting audio files, we have to insert the audio file with a link, or we can use where it is inside our PC. So we have to give its location basically. So for the audio, you have to use the audio tag, like we used video tag for video. Now we are going to use audio tag for audio. Just use audio tag. Now it is the shorthand property to use src in the same line, but it is not recommended, so I prefer to use it on other lines, so you can make your website work well. Now another thing I want to tell you is that the source elements don't have any closing tags. Okay, the source element don't have any closing tag. So these have just attributes. Now I am going to use some audio here. So now I am going to insert the audio. So for this, just I'm using the src as it is, and then choose the name of my audio file. Now you can see that with the icon and with the extension is the video. So this is the name of the song. Just enter it and use the type element here, and type is audio slash mp3. okay. Oops, maybe not mp3, mpeg, and another name is ogg. okay. So these four types you should include in your document. Now if the browser not support this type of audio, mpeg means mp3, then it will support the ogg, because in some older browser there are no support for this mpeg or mp3. So we use these two, but these two will not run in the same time. Okay, so don't worry about if we use 2 times of these tags. Actually it is one audio. Okay, now just take a look on it. So I'm going to run it, and it is not appearing anywhere else. Now how we can make it appear? Just come here and use the controls. Okay, controls are very important attribute. So just put it and refresh it again, and now you can see our audio is here. Okay, so just if you want to run it, you can run it like, maybe you can't hear it. So this is the way of doing so today we learned about how we can put videos and audios in our document. So that's all for this video, and hopefully this is our last video on HTML for Dummies series. So these are all tutorials. If you haven't watched all of them, just go through the playlist of HTML for Dummies and watch one by one, and I will show you everything and I will teach you everything in HTML with step by step, so don't worry about it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.